Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your remote control isn't working or if you have any pairing issues with your Panasonic TV. So first of all, make sure that your remote control's batteries are charged enough to work, or just try to replace them. So remove the back cover from your remote control and then replace these two batteries with another pair of 3A batteries, and then place them inside and try using your remote control with your TV. But in case your TV isn't responding to your remote control's commands still, you can try to use your smartphone instead. And if you don't know how to use your smartphone as a remote control, we have a separate video on our channel titled how to use your smartphone as a remote control for Panasonic TV. So basically what you have to do is open the home application, Google Home application on your smartphone. Then from the home screen, go to the All Devices section, then select your Google TV, then tap Open Remote, and at this point you'll be able to navigate on your TV using your smartphone. So using your smartphone, you're going to have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen to open settings, then navigate to remotes and accessories. And if you cannot find your TV here, then you're going to have to pair it with your TV. And in order to pair your remote control with your TV, you're going to have to press and hold the home button and the back button or return button at the same time for about 10 seconds until your blue LED indicator starts flashing rapidly. And after that, you're going to have to select this menu once again and select pair accessory, and you should see your TV remote on the screen right now. So just tap on it, wait until it's paired with your TV. Okay, and when they are connected, you should definitely be able to use your remote control. But if you still have troubles accessing some features like your voice control, then you're going to have to simply restart your TV by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds, selecting OK, and wait until your TV shuts down, and then turn it back on after a couple of seconds by short pressing the power button once again. And after that, you will get the full access to all of your remote's features. Now, if you weren't able to pair your TV remote control, that means that something is broken inside your remote control, and you should just order yourself a new one and just use your smartphone as a replacement for now. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.